Welcome to the tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. Let's get started. Step 1. Download VS Code. Open your web browser. Go to the official Visual Studio Code website, code.visualstudio.com. Click on the New Download for Windows button. This will download the installer. You have to wait for it. Download depend on your internet speed. Step 2. Install VS Code. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Follow the prompts, agree to the terms. Choose the installation location. And select any additional options you prefer. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click Finish to launch Visual Studio Code. Step 3. Install Python or HTML extensions. Open Visual Studio Code. Click on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side, or press Ctrl+Shift+X. In the search bar, type Python or HTML to find the respective extensions. Click Install on the extension you want to add. That's it. You now have Visual Studio Code installed on your Windows 10 system, along with the necessary extensions for Python, HTML, or any other language you choose. Happy coding! Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.